about the parts of a flower. All flowers start from seeds, like this. This is a sunflower seed. A sunflower seed is very big compared to petunia seeds. Let me show you. I keep my petunia seeds in a bag just like this because they are so very small. Let me get a couple out and I'll show you what they look like. Here they are. Do you see those little small seeds? Look how tiny they are compared to this big, large sunflower seed. Each of those little seeds turns into a flower. Isn't that so neat? Let's learn about the other parts of a flower. Let me pull one of these petunias out and we'll study it together. Oh, wow, look! Flowers start from seeds and flowers have roots. These right here, these white things right here, are called roots, and they dig down into the ground to help the flower grow big and tall and strong. So a flower has seeds and roots. Can you say roots? Let's see what else a flower has. Oh, look, these right here. These are leaves. Can you say leaves? Flowers have leaves to help bring in the sun's rays. So flowers have seeds and roots and leaves. And I wonder what this is that keeps the flower standing nice and tall. Can you see it? It's green too. It's a stem. Flowers have stems. That's what helps support them to keep them standing up. So flowers have seeds and what were these called again? Roots and leaves and stems. And flowers have petals. Flowers have petals on them. Petals come in many, many different colors, and that's what makes flowers so beautiful. Let's say the parts together one more time. Roots, leaves, stem, petals. Learning about the parts of the flower is so much fun. I can't wait to get outside and plant these flowers with you.